This is a 2007 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, air vents for rear-seated passengers, full power accessories, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.